in office, and given the kind of a plate that George Bush has in front of him right now, it is no wonder they age in office. I wouldn't want to be in his shoes tonight. What a mess. The violence continuing to escalate on the Israeli-Lebanese border, and while that was going on, the UN Security Council today voted on a resolution condemning Israel for its attacks in Gaza. The U.S. vetoed that resolution. It demanded Israel halt its attacks in Gaza. It also demanded that Palestinian militants release an abducted Israeli soldier and stop launching rockets at Israel. 10 other nations voted in favor of that resolution, and 4 nations abstained. The U.S. ambassador to the UN, John Bolton, says the resolution was already outdated in light of other events going on, and Bolton said it would only have helped to inflame passions in the region. So the question is this: should the United States have vetoed a UN Security Council resolution condemning Israel's military incursion into Gaza? Email your thoughts to CaffertyFile@CNN.com or go to CNN.com/CaffertyFile. Wolf?